there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a beginner line dance to Cowgirl by Shaboozey. This dance was choreographed by Sara Honey-DeLong. This is not my choreography, it's just my interpretation. We're going to break down the moves nice and slow, step by step, using a lot of repetition, having some fun. I have seen a couple different line dances to this same song, so to make sure you're learning the one that you want to learn, I recommend you go all the way to the end of the video and watch it, the whole dance together, to make sure it's the one that you're looking for. Or I have a separate video where I'm going to dance it with music. So this video is the tutorial only, but I will dance it with music in a separate video that's linked down in the video description, but also up here in this card. So go check out that other video if you want to see which version of the line dance this one is, and when you're ready to practice it with music. All right, let's line dance, y'all. Here we go. This is only a 2-wall line dance. We're gonna dance this wall and this wall, no tags, no restarts. It's 4 8 counts of choreography. So that's how we're gonna break it down into those 8 counts. Are you ready? You're ready. Our first 8 count, we're gonna take 2 steps to the right. So we're going right, together, right. Then you're gonna touch that left foot so we can go back to the left. Left, together, left, touch. You're line dancing. So again, we go 2 steps to the right, 1, 2, 3, touch 4, then back to the left, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. I'm gonna count you in 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna take off to the right on 1. You got it. 5, 6, 7 to the right. We go 1, 2, 3 to the left, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 2 steps to your right. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. That's our first 8 count. You're doing an awesome job. Remember, it's a recorded tutorial that you can pause and practice, take breaks, whatever you need to do when you're ready to jump back in. Here is our second 8 count of choreography. We just finished with that right foot in a touch. You're gonna step on your right, flick this left foot behind you, step on your left, flick your right foot behind you. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to add arms, you're going to step on your right, and as you flick the left back, you're going to touch the heel of that hand with the heel of your foot with your right hand. So you're going to go 1, 2, and then you're going to switch it 3, 4. Now, for whatever reason you don't want to touch your foot or you can't touch your foot, don't worry about it. Just go step, flick, or step, touch. Choose your adventure. Here we go. 5, 6, step, right, flick, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. To finish out the 8 count, we're going to do a grapevine to the right. So you're going to go step, back, step, touch. So it's 3 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, and then you touch again that left foot on 4. So a grapevine, the first step goes side, the second step goes behind. We go side, and we touch. Just try that grapevine. 5, 6, 7, grapevine goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. When we put it together with the first half of the 8 count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 grapevine. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, let's try our second 8 count. 5, 6, step and flick. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. So we put our first 2 8 counts together. Here's your preview. We go 2 steps to the right, right, together, right, touch. Same thing to the left, step and flick, right flick, left, left flick, right, then grapevine, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna count you in our first 2 8 counts. You're doing great. 5, 6, 5, 6, 2 steps to your right, 1, 2, 3, then you touch now, left, 6, 7, step and flick, 1, 2, 3, grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic job. All right, we're gonna add our third 8 count on. We finished with that left foot in a touch. The basic step is just step left, touch right, step right, touch left. You're gonna do that 3 times, and then on this one, you're gonna go right, left, and put your weight on that left foot the 4th time through. So left foot goes first, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, step. Now we're gonna do what's called a K step. So we're gonna change the pattern up of where we're stepping, but the footwork is the same. So I'm gonna take the first leg of my K out this way and then touch, and then I'm gonna go back and touch. And then I'm going to take it to this leg of the K, back and touch, and then forward together. So you see we're making like the K, yeah? Like the letter K. So again, you step open to the left corner, then you step back to where you were, then you go to this back left corner, and then step, step. Just try that. 5, 6, K, step. We go left, touch, right, touch, left, touch, right, left. If you want to, you can clap on every touch. So you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not a touch, but you clap on the count of 8. So you're clapping on the even counts. Step 1, touch and clap. Step 3, touch and clap. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it. If you don't want to clap, just do the footwork. Don't worry about the arms. 5, 6, step left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure all your weight goes on that left foot. A little bit faster. Left, touch right. 5, 6, step, touch. Left and right and left and right, left. Very, very nice. Going back to the top. Really slow. We're going to go 2 steps to the right. Then you repeat that to the left. Then we step and flick. Then we grapevine. Right, left, right, and touch. From here, you're going to step, start that K step. Then we take that back leg of the K, step, step. Here we go. I'm going to count you in. You're doing it. We're going to do 2 steps to the right. 5, 6, step together, step, touch. Right, left, right, left. Then we step and flick. Grapevine. K step, step touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, very nice. Let's do our 3/8 counts one more time. So we're going to take those 2 steps to the right. You're doing great. 5, 6, step together, step, touch. Right together, right. Left together, step and flick. Right, left, grapevine. Right, left, right. Step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent job. Who's doing an awesome job? It's you. All right, we're going to go on and finish it out with our 4th 8 count, our 4th and final 8 count of choreography before we just repeat it a lot to finish the song. So we just did our K step. You finished right, left. Make sure you put your weight on that left foot. Your right foot, we're going to take the heel out, together, out, together. So you're just going heel, step, heel, step. If you want to put your hands on your belt buckle or your imaginary belt buckle, you can, or on your hips. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do a pivot turn or a half turn. You're going to step on your right. Then you're going to pivot your weight to your left foot as you turn towards that left wall. Then you're facing the back. So all the footwork is right, left. That's all you're doing. But as you switch your weight back to that left foot, you're pivoting off of your right foot to turn. So from the side, it looks like this. Step on your right, pivot to your left. You should be turning to the left. 5, 6. To finish it out, you're going to stomp. 7, 8, or step, step. Ooh, and that's how the choreography ends. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left. So our 4th 8 count. After we did our K step, I'm going to bring my hands here, but you do whatever you want. We're going to do those heels, right, together, left, together. You pivot, right, left, stomp, right, stomp, left. Ooh, I'm going to count you. We're going to try our 4th 8 count. So we're going to start with heel, step, ready? 5, 6, 7, right heel, left heel, pivot, turn, stomp, stomp, right, left. Counts are 5, 6, 7, right heel, 1, 2, 3, pivot, turn, 5, 6, stomp, 7, 8. Very, very nice. Ooh, that was our 4th 8 count. All right, let's go back to the top. We're going to put all 4 of our 8 counts together super duper slow. So we're going to start with that 2 steps to the right all the way through. We should finish facing this back wall. Really slow for our brains. You can do it. 5, 6, 2 steps to your right. We go right, together, right, touch. Now left, together, Step and flick that leg back. Touch it if you want. Grapevine to the right. We touch your left. K-step. It's just stepping and touching. To the back. Step, step. So your right foot can go heel, heel, then pivot. Right, left stomp, right stomp, left. Yeah? Let's go a little faster. I'll count you in again. So we're going to start with 2 steps to your right. I believe in you. 5, 6, step together, step, touch. Right and left. Step, flick. Grapevine. Then we K-step. Left touch, right touch, left touch, step, step. Heels, right together, left together, pivot, turn, stomp, stomp. Yeah, very, very nice. Now what makes it a line dance? You keep going, you keep repeating the choreography until the song is done. Again, there's no tags, no restart, so you're just gonna repeat. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, till Shaboozey stops singing. You're gonna get your sweat on, it's gonna be fun. Let's talk about it. After you turned around, you went stomp, stomp. You're gonna take off to the right. So you just repeat to the right. It's the exact same choreography, step and flick, but now you're just facing another wall. Grapevine. Then we K-step, left, touch, right, touch. You're gonna step right, left, heel, heel. This time when you pivot, you should be turning to this other wall. It's still your left shoulder, but it's the other wall that you turn from. So now you'll go right, left, stomp, stomp. I was dancing way back there. And then you start it over. Right together, right, left together, left. And you just keep going, keep going. Ooh, so here's what we're gonna do. Nice and slow, we're gonna go 4 times in a row, just to see how it feels. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should end up facing, after we do our last pivot turn, we should end up here. Are you ready? I believe in you. We're gonna go slow, don't worry. See how it all fits together. 2-step, even though this is a fast song, just so you know. But if you can do it slow, you can eventually do it fast. Here we go, 2 steps to the right. 5, 6, step together, step, touch. We go right, touch, left, then to your left. Step, flick, hit that heel if you can or want, grapevine. K-step, we step and touch. To the back, step, step, heels right then left. Pivot, turn, stomp, stomp. Start it over. 2 steps to your right, 2 steps to your left. Step and flick, right, left, left. Grapevine, right, left, right. K-step, it's left touch right, right touch left. Step, step, heels, right together. We pivot, turn. 5, 6, we started over. 2 steps to the right, you're doing great. 2 steps to the left. Step and flick. Grapevine, we touch, K-step. It's all just for fun, y'all. We're moving. You're gonna take your right heel, left heel, pivot. Let's do it one more time. Stomp, stomp. 2 steps to your right, 2 steps to your left. Step and flick. Grapevine to your right, right, left, right. K-step, step and touching. Step, step, heels, right together. Pivot, right, left, right, left. And then you keep going, keep going, keep going. Fantastic job. You're doing such an awesome job. We're gonna do it one more time here together. We are gonna go faster because it is faster with the music. However, if you're not ready, that's okay. Go back. Watch that slower tempo as many times as you need to before you move on. Let your muscle memory start to kick in. Let your brain start to feel what's going on and your body start to feel what's going on. It's totally fine to stay slow until you're ready to speed it up. And I promise eventually you will be ready to go faster. For now, if you're ready, let's go. All right, I gotta find that beat. Here we go, ready? 5, 6, it's fast. 5, 6, 2 steps to your right, have fun. Right together, right, now left. Step and flick, grapevine, right. K-step, step, touch, step, step, heels. Then we pivot, step, step, 2 steps right, you got it, just move. Step and flick, grapevine, K-step, moving and grooving, heels right together, pivot, right, left, 2 steps. We started over. Step and flick, grapevine, K step, left, right, step, step, heels, pivot, one more time, 2 steps right, 2 steps left, step and flick, right, left, right, grapevine, K step, woo, heels, right together, pivot, stomp, stomp. Very, very nice. And that was our tutorial. You did a fantastic job. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, when you're ready to practice with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. I will dance the entire song, so come along and dance with me when you're ready to try it with music. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I had so much fun dancing with you. I hope you had fun too. Please go have a fantastic rest of your day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.